Hey guys, so today I'm bringing you this two-tone purple and blue eye look. So if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. So first I'm starting off with my LA Girl Pro Primer Stick, and I'm just going to spread that across the whole eyelid. And then blend it out with my finger. Going into my favorite palette of all time, my Box of Crayons palette. I'm going to be taking the violet shade, and with some Forever 21 setting spray, I'm going to spray my brush. This helps to make the sparkly shadow more vibrant. And I'm going to place this color on the inner corner of my eyelid and spread it halfway onto the eyelid. Now for the other side, I'm going to go back into the crayon palette and take the light blue baby color shade. And then I'm just going to pack and blend that on the other side and kind of wing it out in the corner. For the waterline and lower lash line, I'll be taking my RK by Kiss eyeliner in pastel blue, and I'm just going to smudge that out on the lower lash line and waterline. To give it a nice effect, I'm going to take the purple from the crayon palette again, and with my glitter brush with the dome end, I'm just going to smoke out halfway from the inner corner to the middle of the lower lash line. And this gives the look a little bit more color and pop. For the inner corner highlight, I'm going to take the baby blue color and just pop that in the inner corners. And then for mascara, I'm taking my They're Real by Benefit, my favorite of all time. And that completes this look today, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.